Good day, good evening, good afternoon, friends, business partners. It's KG Mook when we are here for our daily Zoom session with this great opportunity to trade crypto assets relying on the artificial intelligence. Here's an execution platform that is really transforming so many people's lives and also enabling people to have time to focus on other things that are of significance for themselves, because this particular robot is going in and out of the market, trading for the subscribers. So you are being welcomed to the future, as you can see on the screen right now. I'm quickly going to take you through the slides to share this great opportunity with you so that you understand what is happening with this thing that looks like a human being, of which it's not a human being. It's not a natural person at all. This is a robot, friends. It does what we call crypto trading using the strategy that we use, we call quantitative trading strategy, that is spot trading. What happens with that is the robot will be buying some crypto assets and then selling them for you whenever it's profitable to do so. So as a subscriber, you don't need to worry at all, because after you've done some settings, the robot will be going in and out of the markets to see to it that you get the best out of your quantitative trading strategy. There are set algorithms in place that are there to see to it that you get the best out of these crypto markets. And the good thing is that you do not need to worry about your funds. Your money is in the exchange. You do not actually deposit or send your crypto to the company, that is RoyalQ. RoyalQ does not require your balance, does not keep your balance. Your balance remains in your exchange, and that is very exciting, friends. Now, you will see as we push it that we are using biggest exchanges in the world because of liquidity to trade these crypto markets, and the robot will be there. There are nicely set algorithms in place to see to it that you always take profits out of the cryptos. And what happens is it functions 24/7. There are no waiting periods, and it's very simple to operate this particular bot. Your sponsor is a person who's going to usher you into all the details that you need to know about setting it up and launching it into the market so that it keeps on trading for you, simply buying low and selling high. As the markets are fluctuating, profits will be captured for you by the robot. The strategy takes place, friends, in real time, meaning there are no delays whatsoever. That which the robot buys for you from the RoyalQ site, you're going to see in your exchange, and that is very exciting. Imagine late at night or early hours of the morning or during the day while you are perhaps busy at work, you see trades being executed for you by this robot because you subscribed to it, and it will be functioning for the whole year for you. And you don't need to worry whether markets are rising or markets are falling. The bot will never sell at a price that is lower than the one you have actually bought that particular crypto asset for you. So it is very simple to get started. You make a request for a link from the person that informed you of this great opportunity. That is your sponsor. Your sponsor is going to share a link with you. That's a referral link, but it does not only stop there with RQ, for instance. When you do not have, say, Binance or Huobi Global, please make a request for the referral link for such. Do not go and sign up online, for instance, like on the website of Binance without a referral link. When you do so, you forfeit some good bonuses for the first time participants, you know. So as a result, it's really encouraging to always connect to other people and make your circle bigger in the world of cryptos, you know. And going forward, make sure that you utilize your own link also to share with your prospects out there should you think of informing other people of this great opportunity. Say, for instance, your siblings, your spouse, for instance, or your acquaintances, people who might be perhaps asking you questions of cryptos and so forth. Whenever you share Bitcoin information with them, see to it that they sign up on Binance. It doesn't mean that they should come on board, say, RoyalQ immediately, but the fact that you have engaged with them about Bitcoin, simply make sure that they get a link from you to sign up. And when they transact, you're going to get some good bonuses, and they will also get bonuses. Make sure that you make such conditions set on your referral link. I prefer 50-50. So I think for me, it's the best offer that you can give to those who will make use of your link to sign up. Now, then with the exchanges, when you register, it's for free. You don't need to pay anything. And there are some good information that you're going to get within the app. You will learn how to do API binding, that is application processing interface. You will learn more about quantitative trading, quantitative strategies, what floating loss is, and so forth. There's a lot of useful information, friends, within the app that you as a free member are going to actually learn. So please make use of this great opportunity. Get on board and do not wait until you have money, for instance, before you can get on board. Do not start asking people information about the RoyalQ now that you see you've got some disposable income. No, do not do that. Make use of the early stages, so to speak, of you knowing about this opportunity to prepare your exchanges. Say, for instance, in Binance, you will need to first perform intermediate verification level for you to be able to bind your robot. So please make sure that you perform such well in time. Let me give an example. I was assisting someone in UK today. They do have Luno, but to my surprise, when they enabled Send in their Luno platform, now they are giving them from today till the 22nd. Imagine today is the 8th of October. You click enable Send, which is a security measure within a Luno platform, whereby it must complete a certain number of days. According to Luno, they say they want to secure, they want to make sure that your funds are safe. Meaning if you sign up on Luno today, and in South Africa, it takes 24 hours. You know, when you click send, say for instance, now you have bought your own crypto with your fiat currency or your local currency. And let's say you have Bitcoin, let me say you have Rebel or Litecoin, and you want to send it to Binance or Huobi Global so that you can get the USDT to send to RoyalQ using TRC20 network. When you do that, before they can release your crypto, what they will do is they will first want you to approve sending crypto out of the platform. And there will be a waiting period. In South Africa, it takes 24 hours. Meaning if you do it now, tomorrow around this time, will you then be able to send your crypto to wherever you want to send it? Now, what I've discovered today is that from the 8th, imagine it will be approved by the 22nd of October. And that is crazy. I don't know other partners who could be present here, you know, to advise us of what is happening with Luno there. Really, it's just, for me, it didn't make sense, but it is what it is. Now, imagine when you want to wait until you have funds and you will be excited thinking that from today, you will be trading with RoyalQ because you have heard that there are no waiting periods in RoyalQ, only to find that those technicalities, you know, those requirements from platforms and so forth can delay your time to start trading. So it is just as simple as that. Prepare yourself in advance so that when you get money, that is if you do not have as yet, you will just flow like a river. Closing trades when they're in profit, just like that. Now you can see how actually it appears. This is the user interface or the darker mode. And not only that, you are able to download the app. You know, when you are on, can use App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your handset. So now with that, friends, it shows you that there's a lot that you can learn within the app itself. So it's best for you to do what? To do it immediately, download it. And when you download the app, make sure that the one that you download is legit. Follow the sponsor's link, your sponsor's link to download the app of RoyalQ so that you make sure you're getting the correct information. Quickly, when coming to profits, this board produces profits for you. And what it does is It shares profits according to this ratio, 80:20. Now, 80% of the profits is what you will be entitled to as the subscriber, but 20% you need to push to the RoyalQ app. Remember, RoyalQ cannot make withdrawals against your account, meaning that you are the one who will then be sending money to RoyalQ whenever it is due, or whenever you see that it's getting reduced, or so that it doesn't get entirely depleted, because if that happens, the robot will simply stop working. Now, apart from the issue of profits, like I've shown you in the previous slide, the business is into profits, and there's sharing of profits. That's what happens, friends, in this business. This particular bot does not touch your balance. It does not touch your balance at all, and that is incredible. It only shares profits that have been generated by the bot. How did the profit come? The bot closed a trade because the asset that you bought has appreciated. And that is what happens, friends. This is incredible. So you're in a business that involves only profit sharing, and that profit sharing comes from the performance of the bot that you have subscribed to. Now, we are done with the bot working for you. Please understand that there are two parts of the benefits with RoyalQ. The first is the robot working for you, producing profits for you as a subscriber. The second is when you brand yourself RoyalQ, when you promote this product, when you inform people about this great digital product that goes in and out of the crypto markets and collecting profits for the subscribers and sharing profits according to 80:20, so to speak, and people now get interested and you assist them to open their Binance account if they do not have, or Huobi Global and so forth, and they link, they subscribe, and they do all those kind of stuff. There are benefits that will be due to you from this RoyalQ, and I'm going to show you how that goes. This is an explosive compensation plan. There's a lot of money on this business side of the company, whereby you're going to be seeing from as little as $30 whenever someone subscribes. When a person subscribes to this company, $30 will be paid to you immediately, and that is going to be in your RoyalQ account, and you can withdraw that via TRC20 Tether, that is USDT, for instance. You can send it to your Binance, you can send it to wherever you want. It's your money, it's your earnings due to the work that you have done by leading someone to this through your referral link. Now you earn from $30 US, that's the minimum you can get, up to $70 US depending on your rank. You can see from V1 to V6, the highest is V6, which is the royal partner there. Now, friends, the yellow part, it's all about performance of the bot for your team. The person that you brought on board, the robot is trading for them. And what happens is, as profits are captured, the company is actually getting its own share, which is 20% of what was produced. Now, from that 20%, it will be shared accordingly, and the company starts sharing from 20% of what it has achieved with you for profit sharing in terms of performance. And you can see that you will be earning from the company's side of the profits 20% to 60% now and then. If the robot closes a position now for someone that you brought on board or someone in your team, according to the rank at which you will be, you will see money get into your account of RoyalQ. And this happens now and then. At times, through splits of some milliseconds, you'll see so many transactions raining into your back office of this company because you brought people on board and the robot is working 24/7. Imagine Sundays, Saturdays, the robot is working for the whole year, and there's profit sharing that is raining in your asset account there, and there's always accumulation because the robot is capturing profits for the subscribers. This is incredible. Now, we all start at V1. To be on V1, you simply need to register through your sponsor's link and subscribe $120 US, and you will be on V1. To be on V2, you need to have at least 3 partners who are linked to you, and then your team must have 20 in total. Now, going forward, when you are on V2, instead of $30, you'll be earning $40 when a new member subscribes. And not only that, friends, it will keep on going like that, but on the profit sharing, when the robot closes positions, it means when the robot takes profits, the company will be sharing with you now no longer 20%, but 30% of what they are able to produce out of the crypto markets. So this is incredible. It keeps on working like that. And one other good news is that when you are on V2, any partner who is indirectly linked to you, to no limits, there are to no depth, there are no levels, you earn forever. You know, anyone who is indirectly linked to you in the business, when they get added to your team through your partners, what happens is $10 will be paid to you. And not only that, when we are on V3, $20 will be paid to you whenever there's a new partner who's indirectly linked to you. This is incredible, friends. There's a lot of money that you can produce out of the compensation plan. This particular table just shows you how the ranking works and the conditions. There are 3 main conditions that needs to be met. Number 1, directs. These are people that we have pushed, so that we have actually assisted, people that got into this business through your referral link. You know, these people is a must have. You know, for you to be on V2, 3 must be there, and your entire team must have 20, so to speak. And not only that, friends, look at V3. To be on V3, you need 5 who are directly linked to you. But out of these 5, you know, not out of 5, I beg your pardon, out of your team as a whole, you must have 3 partners who are on V2. So, but your team must have 100 people who have subscribed. It's just as simple as that. When you have 100 partners in your team, and there's 3 of them who have achieved V2, like you are on V2, then you'll move to the next rank. Now, when you have, say, for instance, 5 partners who are linked to you, and your entire team has got 100, and this, it means now you're on V3, and on V3, you are earning $20 indirectly to any member who comes on board, not through your link. You'll be earning $20 from them. And not only that, friends, now look at what is happening. You will be earning $50 now instead of the $50 instead of $40. You know, there's $100 that is set aside just for this particular bonus, you know, and as we speak of today, the global dividend has been increased to 10%. It's a pity, actually, we do not have the latest PDF as yet, but I'm of the opinion as soon as we are able to get it, this will be updated nicely. Look, for you to be on V6, you only need 20 partners who are directly linked to you, but now in your team as a whole, you must have 3 partners who are on V5, and then your entire team must be made out of 1,500 subscribers. Remember, this is not just about your own effort, it's about the efforts of other partners who are linked, or even those who are not even linked to you. Your team as a whole must be 1,500. I've seen in network marketing, it is highly possible to get this. What is important is to share the good news, and amazing things will happen like that. This is a great business. You start profiting now, and there are no waiting periods at all. You're going to enjoy this new generation trader. Thank you so much, friends. This has been done in less than 30. In less than 20 minutes, I beg your pardon. So we are done with the presentation as I'm highlighting now. So we're going to open the session for Q&A, and my God, I'm looking at something here. We are having a session for questions and answers. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and business partners, we do have other great leaders who are coming for the first time. Leadership Bashiru, thank you so much for attending, and I'm of the opinion that there's something that you have definitely picked up in this particular session, and we are certainly looking forward to working together, building this business together, and it's going to be great. It can only get better. Thank you so much to all other leaders that are present. So we are opening the session for questions and answers. there's something that you'd like to ask according to what we have just shared with you, please, we are here to assist you accordingly. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my leader, and greetings everyone that is online and attending our session today. They are all welcome. It is a great opportunity for all of us and the families and the friends and everybody, you know, that we can see to share the good news with. So we are very happy to be here, and thank you so much with the clear presentation and the time that has been taken. I don't see any questions there. So I think we can close the session so that we can go to the questions or to the screens and see what happened today during the day, if you're okay with that, my leader.
Yes, indeed, leadership, we are done. That will help us a lot when you end the session so that we stop the recording and it's short for those who might need it in future. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my leader. I hope that you'll share this recording. It was really nice and short so that we can share with our people. And when we do our own presentation to our prospect, we're going to take our powerful slogan. It is the weekend, and we're facing, we will be going out there sharing the good news, excited. Still the month is still fresh, so our prospects are still having some money. So it's a matter of really helping them with first the registration, signing up, verification. That is very crucial, because you cannot start this business until your papers are clear, because it is a legit business. Thank you very much. RoyalQ.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
RoyalQ.
RoyalQ.
Welcome
to the future.
Yes, we are meeting tomorrow again, same time, but tomorrow, because it's a Saturday, it is the members training. We always get trained so that we understand exactly what we are in and what is happening in the market and everything. So it will be a members training tomorrow. It's not a proper presentation, but you're welcome to come and observe. It's not a problem. Thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you, leadership.